sobrang laking blessing na financially responsible yung parents ko. As you mentioned nga, syempre dad ko si Boss Rex, no, dito sa office, and our mom Ana. So, growing up, sobrang pinapag-usapan talaga yung pera. Laging ini-instill nila sa amin yung mga lessons about saving, about investing. So it wasn't entirely taboo. It wasn't really new, no? Nung nag-18 na ako, hindi na ako minor, at makapag-open na tayo ng mga accounts natin sa mga banks, sa mga brokerage natin, and whatnot. So it wasn't entirely new, and that's a blessing that I had. I think one thing, no, na that comes to mind when you asked me that question was really the guidance. Parang hindi ako mag-isa. And I think when we're talking about investing, lalo na sa context natin with Filipinos, no, minsan kasi yung pakiramdam natin mag-isa. Parang sa pamilya natin, baka tayo pa lang yung nag-explore sa pag invest, or sa group of friends natin, tayo pa lang yung nag-open up about these things, no? About investing, saving. So, it was very beneficial for me, lalo na at that age, no? 18. When we're talking about finance, medyo bata pa lang yun, ang haba ng runway before retirement. And it felt natural. It felt like a progression from just managing my daily allowance sa school, and then saving up from mga Christmas gift, yan, mga birthday gift. And then eventually, nung nag-18 na tayo, that's when I started investing.